Hi all. Let me do a small farm tour here. I just walked around and picked one small uh, badam Alfonso, local Chittur Alfonso. You can see there is a insect bite here. Okay, I will show you. This is, even though this is small, how tasty and how does it look, I will show you. Okay. Look at this. Can you see the color? This shows how good the fruit is. I'm even consuming the skin. I don't recommend you consuming the skin, but I am doing it. So, this is the beauty of eating naturally ripened. I can smell the aroma of the real mango fruit. This is the real beauty of consuming the naturally ripened on the tree mangoes. So let me bite here on the insect bite space. Okay. See, there are no insects, no worms, but when an insect made a bite there, it will also, sometimes there are possibility they latch eggs, and those eggs will turn into worms in 6 to 8 days. That's why whenever I was giving you the fruit, I tell you guys that either you consume it in 2 to 3 days or you keep it in the fridge. Yeah, it's 7:45 a.m. in the morning. Yesterday it rained. Look at this. Can you see the color of the mangoes? That shows how they are naturally getting ripened. While doing this, you can see there will be lot of wastages. Are you able to see how many mangoes on the floor? These are all waste. We cannot consume it. You should be able to see how many mangoes on the floor, on the ground. But I let all these mangoes ripen on the tree and harvest it and give you guys. That is the reason I am getting all the good responses that these are very tasty. So the reason behind harvesting naturally is artificial is artificial, natural is divine thing. So I want every one of us to experience the natural divinity of the fruit. That's why I'm not forcefully harvesting it. Look at this, how many mangoes on the ground, but I'm not caring it. If I'm thinking of losing this quantity of mangoes, I would not be able to satisfy my consumers. Motive is to make you all have good farm produce. Very soon I am planning for a farm visit. I will create some place for you guys to accommodate you guys, and let you guys enjoy this space. This is just 1 acre I am showing, but this is spread across 10 acres. Mango plantation itself is there in 10 acres. So now your part is to promote this, help me get more customers. That way my losses are minimal. This season is the first time doing the marketing. I never bring it directly to the consumers. I was always giving to the dealers, but this is the first time and I am losing in this season. That's fine, but at least for the next season, upcoming seasons, I would want see I will not go in loss. So it's now your turn. So you guys kindly support, spread the word, and tell your friends the right feedback. I am not telling you to give just positive feedbacks. Tell the right feedback and help me out. Thank you.